it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is April the 15th. So today is our May Patreon kit tutorial. Now, as you can see, we did another shirt. Look how cute this is. This is a Heather Charcoal Tooltex. And then the colors that I used on this shirt are red, lemon yellow, Tiffany blue, black, and white. Now, all four of these colors plus the shirt are included in the kit for the $45 a month, plus all the SVGs, because there are more SVGs than just this one. There are 4 for the month. But if you don't want to be a kit member, those are the tools that the colors that I used. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I'll go over how we made this. Okay, so as you can see, we're on my Patreon page, which is www.patreon.com/Betsy Gocher. Now, we're going to work with the May Kit SVGs, and as you can see, there are 4 different designs here. Wine SVG, a senior for kids graduating in 2020, Let's Fiesta, and Dad Joke. We're going to work on the Dad Joke or man shirt because we don't work with a whole lot of those, so I just clicked that red link and then click Save. Now I'm going to go down here to Cricut Design Space, click Upload Image, Browse, select Dad Joke, click Open. Okay, now this will take a moment to load in because it is so large. So there we go. Click Insert Image. Okie dokie. So that is what our Dad Joke looks like. So as you can see, there's a ton of pieces. So we're first going to start off by selecting all of our blues. There we go. And click Weld. So now we're going to scroll back up here to the top and make it where we can't see our blue layer, because this is the quickest and easiest way that I have found to do this. So now we're going to go to our red. And weld one section of that, and then we're going to choose our other section of red and all of our little loading bar pieces, which there's a lot of. And click Weld. There we go. Oh, I see one more little piece of red. Now we're going to weld all of our red together, and we're going to make it where we can't see that either. Okie dokie. Now our 2 pieces of yellow. Weld. Now we're going to go for our white pieces. There we go. Weld all that together. Now we're going to double check and make sure that we've got it all. So I'm going to check my color sync. So yes, all you can see left is the black. So let's go ahead and select everything and choose Weld. That did not do the way that I wanted it to. So instead of choosing weld, we're going to select it all again and choose attach. Okie dokie. So there we go. Now if we go back to our layers, if I weld again, let's see. Yep. See, every time it wants to weld, it wants to mess up that O. And so instead of doing that, we'll just leave it attached because it really doesn't matter that much. Okie dokie. So now we're going to go ahead and click on Make It. We got to go ahead and make it where we can see the rest of our colors though. Our white, our yellow, our red, and our Tiffany blue. Now we're going to click on Make It. And this is 11 inches wide, but I did want to leave it a little bit bigger because this is for a male shirt. And 10.5 is our standard, but we can go a little bit bigger whenever. Hold on. That didn't attach. So let's scroll down. Hide all of our colors. And part of the reason why we either want to attach or weld is it makes it where it keeps your vinyl in place. Okay. Let's see if that did it this time. And it doesn't help that my internet's running slow at home. Okay. Let's make sure. Okay, so now that is all attached perfect. Now we can unclick the eye so we can see the rest of our pieces. There we go. Now go to Make It. Okay, so that is our white layer. Go ahead and select Mirror. So you're going to get, if you are on kit level, you'll get the shirt plus these 5 colors of vinyl. So, and access to these SVGs and everything else. And if you join now on Patreon, you will get access to all the old ones. Now, there isn't a search feature yet, but you can take and just scroll through the old post and download all the old SVGs, because there's a ton. There we go. And last but not least is the red. Click Continue. There we go. Now I'm going to send this to cut, and if you'll give me a moment, we'll go over everything that we just did. So I'm going to select Iron On. So we'll see y'all in a sec. So as you can see, I have my Tiffany blue piece laid out. I've already weeded the other colors. So the colors that are going to come in this kit is black, white, red, lemon yellow, and Tiffany blue. And I left most of the black because some of the outlines are thin. So I figured I would make all of the black that goes behind everything solid. And then we'll just layer the other section over the top. So I need to trim out my Tiffany blue, so that way we're not wasteful. There we go. So we'll go ahead and weed this on camera. Now remember, all the supplies that I use other than the Steady Betty and the Cricut Easy Press and the shirts are not available on the website right now because some of the companies are closed down and they're a little bit harder to get a hold of. So, just so you know. Which typically we have the shirts on our website. It's just right now with everything that's going on. But if you are interested in purchasing the supplies and you don't want to purchase a kit, it's very easy to do. And you can find gray shirts at so many places. It's not even funny. And we do want to weed where we have pretty much just 2 layers of vinyl. You can layer more than that. I just prefer to keep it around 2 at my max. I feel it lasts longer on shirts when washing. There we go. So that is the Tiffany blue layer. So now we're going to go ahead and grab our Steady Betty, which y'all know I've had this thing for years. Lay it out. Grab our T-shirt, which we're using the Heather Charcoal Tooltex. Nice and soft. There we go. Okay. T-shirt guide, which our T-shirt guide this week is on sale for $6.95, down from $9.95. So that is quite a big discount. Okay, so we're going to start off with our black layer. Fold it in half, just like that. And we want to keep it about 3 fingers down from the collar. We line that center mark up with the center point. There we go. Oh, I found something I forgot to weed. There we go. The center of the O for joke. But isn't this a super cute Father's Day shirt? And I feel like there's so many designs out there for women and kids, not so many for dads. So what we're going to do is we're just tacking this on there. So we're going for about 5 seconds each, and my Easy Press is heated to 330 degrees. Okay. Remove slowly. So I think we're going to go ahead and go for our white layer next. Okay. Let's go ahead. And that makes it a little bit easier to tell where everything goes. Okay. Or should we go with the blue? You know what? We're going to go with the blue first. There we go. Okay. 5 seconds. And remember, we are going to do a final pressing when this is done as well. Just re-stick those bottom 2 pieces. There we go. We can go ahead and put our yellow pieces on because they're not going to get in the way. We can apply those when we apply our white. There we go. And this definitely, the color scheme and everything definitely screams pop art to me. Oh yeah, I like how that looks. Don't you think? Okay, cover again with our Teflon sheet. Okay. Look how cute. Love how this looks. There we go. We're going to cover it up one more time. And then press. Okay. Turn that off. Or no, leave that on. Okay. And look how cute this looks. Don't you love how that came out? Now, if you'll give me a moment, I'm gonna finish heating this off camera just to make sure everything's good and stuck. And then we will go over everything we just did. Hopefully you liked this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget that our t-shirt guide is on sale through the 19th for $6.95, down from $9.95 for the 9, 12, 15, and 16 inch. And also, we do have the adhesive vinyl giveaway. Either you comment on the video on YouTube or Facebook or both. The more comments, the more chances to win, that we are going to be drawing on Friday. But I guess that's it, so we shall see y'all soon.